Hi, we are doing area and perimeter exercise 20b, question 90. Two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are 28 centimeter and 26 centimeter. If one diagonal of it is 30 centimeter long, find the area of the parallelogram. This is the one thing we have to do. Second, also find the distance between the shorter side. So first we will find the first answer, that is the area of the parallelogram. Now we know this is a parallelogram. Adjacent sides mean which are next to each other. So one is 28, the other is 26. This will also be 28 and this will be 26, and the diagonal is 30. Now we can see this diagonal is dividing this parallelogram into two triangles. So area of the parallelogram will be area of this parallelogram will be 2 into area of the triangle made. Yes, in this case. Fine. Because these two triangles are congruent, same side and diagonal by SSS rule. So both the triangles are same. If you find the area of one triangle and multiply by 2, you get the area of the parallelogram. So what will be the area of the triangle? We can see the triangle is scalene triangle. So we will use Heron's formula. Use Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula? Heron's formula is A is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. A, B, C are the sides. A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Okay? And S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Fine. So let's find out the S first. So S is 26 plus 30 plus 28. These are the sides of the triangle, 26, 28 and 30, divided by 2 because it's semi-perimeter. Perimeter is sum of all the side divided by 2. This is 84. 28 plus 30 plus 26 becomes your 84 divided by 2, that is 42 centimeter. Now we will put down the values in this formula, Heron's formula. That is S is 42. 42 minus A. A is, let's take A as 26, B as 28 and C as 30. Fine. So now this will become under root 42 minus 26. That will become 16. Same way 42 minus 28, 2 less, so 14, and 42 minus 30, 12. Now we need to find the square root. No need to multiply. Put them in normal basic factors. We can put them in basic factor. No need to multiply them. 16, we know square root of 16 is 14. So we will just leave it, do nothing to it. 42 can be written as 7 into 6. Right? 7 6 are 42. Why I am writing 6? Because I know 12 ke table mein also I will get 6. 14 I have already written here. 14 can be written as 7 into 2. And 12 is 6 into 2. Now this you have to apply little bit of your brains here, that in which factors you will break down the numbers. Why did I break 42 as 7 into 6? Because I know this 12 can be written as 6 into 2. So that 6 can make a pair with this 6. Fine. And 14 is 7 into 2. Fine. Or if you are confused like this, put them in the lowest factor form. Factorize every number and then pair them up. Now we will pair them up. 7 into 7, 6 into 6. सब pairs को एक साथ लिख के, and 16 I'll leave it because I know 16 का square root. Now out of each pair I will take one number. That is how we find the square root. Like if it is 4 का square root, It can be written as 2 into 2, and out of these 2 I take 1 2, and that becomes my answer. So out of these 7 I will take 1 7, out of this 6 I'll take 1 6, out of this 2 I will take 1 2, and 16 का square root is 4. This is 7 6 42 into 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16, 8 4s 32, 33. This is the area of the one triangle, right? So area of parallelogram will become what? 2 times the area of one triangle, because we have 2 such triangles, one triangle and 2 triangle. So this will become the area of the parallelogram. 2 into 336, that becomes 672 meters square. Now it is saying, the question is further saying, also find the distance between the shorter sides. We know the shorter side is 26. I'll just draw once again the distance between the shorter sides. This is 28, this is 26, 26. Let the distance be this. This is the distance, or it can also be called h. The height between the distance is the height between the shorter side, or height between the parallel side is also called the distance. So we also know area of a parallelogram is base into height. So we have found the area of the parallelogram, and the base is 26. So what will be the corresponding height for that? That is the distance between them. Let it be h. Fine. So what it will be? Area we found 672 is equal to 26 into h, because this area is the area of the parallelogram. You find it this way or this way, the area will be same. So we have the base as 26 and height as h. So 26 into h is equal to 672. So h is equal to 672 divided by 26. Right, now you can put it in, cancel this 672 and 26. Fine. So this will become 13. With 2 I am doing. This will become 3. 3 2s are 6 and 6. 336 divided by 13 is equal to h. When I will divide 336 with 13, I will get somewhat around 13 into 2, 26, 13, 26, 76. So I will get around 5 3s are 15, 65, 25.8 something I will get, right? So you can write h is equal to 25.8. Therefore distance, this is the distance between the shorter sides is around 25.8 meter.